I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
How to do plank properly. With research showing doing plank regularly can combat heart disease. Here is how to go about it. Planks are a fantastic exercise to build core strength, a term usually considered to apply to the torso and bottom. Now, research has shown it is one of the most effective exercises to combat heart disease. Here, let's take a look at one version of plank. Get into position correctly. The clue is of a plank, you have to position yourself like one. Hold yourself up on the ground with your forearms and toes. Your back and legs should be as straight as possible. A lot of people do plank and fold their arms. You have to open your arms on the floor. That helps the plank you are working to work effectively. And for you to do a proper plank, you have to aim for 60 seconds. Do not be fooled. Planks are hard work. The first 10 to 20 seconds may be a breeze, but soon your forearms and toes will wobble and your abs will be on fire, while it is tempting to fall to the ground. Hold your nerve. 60 seconds is a good time to aim for when starting out. Look in the mirror when the wobble set in. It is tempting to move your knees and bottom for some relief. To avoid this, do the exercise in front of a mirror to ensure you are as plank-like as possible. Breathe deeply. You are doing the exercise with perfect form, aided by looking in the mirror, but after seeing your bulging and burning face staring back at you, you collapse to the floor in fright. To avoid this, breathe deeply with your body clenched tightly. It is easy to start shallow breathing. Focus breathing into your stomach. This will also distract from the pain. And rest. You will be in pain the next day. Take it easy and do not force yourself to work out again straight away. How to do plank properly. This is the reason why I do this video. How to do the plank properly to get the benefit you have to get from doing this workout. From lying face down on a mat, complete and repeat this set. Push into your forearms as you raise your body off the mat. Form a straight line from your head and neck to your feet. Keep your gaze down and take steady, even breaths. Engage your abdominal muscles and aim for 60 seconds. This is how plank is done properly.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so.
Have a lot of related content that you can check for more content like this. We drop content every weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. As you subscribe, you always get updated, and commenting also help us to create future content that will help you. Thanks for watching. I will be happy to see you again. Bye for now.
If you choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.